Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating quite a few apps right here on your Mac. So let's get started. On the top left hand side of your screen you will see the Apple logo. So top left hand side, Apple logo, click on it, and from there we're going to see these options. Your third option will be the App Store. So click on the App Store. Once we open up the App Store, it's supposed to open up updates. However, if it didn't, on the left hand side on the bottom you will see updates. So from right here, just click on it and then just let it load and you're going to see all the updates available. If you want to update them all, on the top right hand side corner of the screen you will see update all. So we can just click on update all and all of these will be updated. However, let's say you're looking for a particular update and it's just not loading here. Well, on the top left hand side we do have a search bar. So let's just click right there and let's say we're looking for OneDrive. So let's type that in. And then we're going to see these results. From there, we're supposed to see on top of OneDrive, once we see that, we're supposed to see an update right there. However, we can always click on OneDrive, and from here, we're going to see on the top right hand side, update button again. So we can update it from here. So I'm just going to click on update, and it's going to start the update. I can always go back to my updates on the left hand side, bottom, we're going to see updates. So let's click on it. And from here I can see all the updates. So right now I can see that this one's updating. It did it quite fast because it was pretty small. If I click on more, I can see exactly how big that was and what it contained. So that was only 55 megabytes, which is nothing. And that's why he updated so fast. So right now we're gonna update each one of these from here. However, like I mentioned, if you don't see them, you can always do it the other way, which I just showed you. So let's start off with black ink. Let's just click on more and we can see all of it. Plus, it's only 8 megabytes, which is, again, nothing. Let's just click on update. Then we have Microsoft Excel. We're going to click on more. We're looking at 794 megabytes, which again, it's not much. So we're going to go ahead and click on Microsoft Excel and click on update. Now I'm not going to click on more for each one because we can't see that their version is 16.34 or 38, and in this case if I click on more, I'm always gonna see about this much. So this one's for 100 megabytes for example. So again, it's not gonna take long. How do I know if this is actually working? Well, you guys will see the circle being filled up. Once it fills up the whole way, it's just gonna say open later on, like right now. Ink and OneDrive, that they've all been done, they say open instead of update. And that means you're up to date, you're all good. So we're gonna update Microsoft OneNote. Then we're gonna go into Microsoft Outlook and update it as well. We're gonna click on more just to see how big that is. And that should be around, 884 megabytes. So let's go down into PowerPoint. So under PowerPoint, we also have version 16.38. Click on more. Under more, we can see that this is 708 megabytes. Next up, we have Microsoft Word. So let's just click on update, top right hand side. We're gonna click on more again. And this one's a big one, this one's a gig. And finally, we have WhatsApp Desktop. So again, we can just click on update. We can click on more as well. If we click on more for WhatsApp, we're only gonna see 156 megabytes. So pretty small, pretty fast update. The only one that's gonna take quite a long time will be Microsoft Word, which is a gig. Again, we will see this circle right here going through almost all the way, and then it's supposed to go all the way, just like this one's filling up, so we can see the progress. So I can see these other ones haven't started just yet. However, these guys are almost done, and this one's getting almost there. Anyways, that would be it for this video. That's how you guys can update all your apps right here on your App Store from your Mac. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.